banks don't seem to want you to do velocity. That's why we don't talk to banks about it, because they don't know any more than we do. Oh my goodness, people. If you walk into a bank and you say, "Hello, I'm here to get a line of credit because I want to do velocity banking," they're going to look at you like you're stupid and probably send you on your way. And it's not because they're against it or anything like that. They're like, "What the heck are you talking about?" So, you guys, you've got to be smarter than the paper that this dollar bill is printed on, okay? When we go in and use a bank, we're going in to use a bank. We're not going in to discuss our finances with them. We're not going in to discuss, yes, I'm going to get a loan because I'm going to go buy a lawnmower and then I'm going to, we don't, that's none of their business. We're just using the tools that they offer because that's what the tools are there for. We're not doing anything illegal here. This is a way to use the tools at the bank. So if you're going to hammer in a nail in the wall, you're not going to get a screwdriver to do it. So if you want to get out of debt fast, you're going to get a line of credit, not a loan, because they're two totally different tools. And so when you learn to use the tools, then you're going to get out of debt. It's math. It's not magic. We're not ripping anybody off. We're paying for what we actually bought. We just found a way to pay it off faster. So, guys, do not talk to them about, should I get a loan? Well, duh. Of course they're going to suggest you get a loan. Why? Because that's an amortization schedule and they're going to make more money. Blah. Okay. So, okay, I walked in and I asked the bank for a line of credit and they said, no, you should get a loan. A loan has a cheaper interest rate. Really? Okay. What kind of interest rate are you talking about? Are you talking about that's already calculated in the monthly payment? Or are you talking about a simple interest product that, is based off of the average daily balance? You have to get educated. You do. Don't leave this to the bank. That's like going to school and saying, "Hey, teacher, do my math homework for me." What? No, you get educated. You learn how the tools at the bank work. You look at your numbers. You know your numbers. You work it out. I worked it out. Nobody sit down and did it for me. I certainly didn't go to a bank at the representatives there and ask them, "Hey, what is this thing, velocity?" No. I mean, this is like going to a car salesman and saying, "Hey, you know what? I've been looking at software, to eliminate debt. Can you help me?" He's going to be like, "Dude, I don't know anything about that." So when you're walking into a bank, it's like you're going into Walmart and you're picking out what it is you want. And it's not hard. It's just that you need to get educated on how this works, go get what you need, and start working. Start working. I didn't have anybody to talk about this with, okay? I didn't have any family. I had no friends. Very, very little information on the YouTube. I had to figure it out. So when I started playing with the tools at the bank and, okay, this one does this. What happens if I take this one and pay off this? And what, research. Really get educated. That's what the Money Max webinar is about tonight, to get you educated on how that system works and if it's going to work for you.